afternoon, my dear children. So, welcome to the GK class. So, my dear children, we are going to end semester very soon, right? So, we need to complete so much of portion. So, today we are going to learn more number of questions. Okay. So, from page number 27. Okay, take your textbook, take a pencil along with you, and an eraser. Okay, so if you have any mistake, we can erase it. Okay, so take your textbook, take a pencil with you, take a eraser. Okay, I hope you have completed up to page number 26. I hope you have completed. So one box I forgot to send, right? So I will send it today. That belongs to page number 23. Complete the list, right? So I will send today. So copy it. If you not have not yet copied, copy it. Okay, so take your textbook. Have you all taken? Yes. Okay, we will begin the class. Okay, so first one, Indian state related to my India. Okay, first identify the states using the clues and the options given in the box below, then write the correct letters in each of the box given alongside. Okay, so I can able to fix all the question answer in one page. So in your book, look. Okay, so the name of the state means the land of germs. Okay, so name of so many places are given below. So the name of the state means the land of germs. Okay, land of germs. So the answer is E. E means Manipur. Okay, write down E in the box. The answer is given below, Manipur. Okay. Okay. Then second one, in Sanskrit, the name of the state means the land of snow. Okay. So land of snow. Answer is A. So the original answer is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so Himachal Pradesh is called as the land of snow. In the Himachal Pradesh, it is covered with snow, right? So it is called as land of snow. Then third one, this state was divided in 2014. Its proposed new capital in Amaravati. Okay, so the answer is F. Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is proposed as the new capital is Amaravati. Okay, then English is the official language of this state. Okay, English is the official language of the state. Answer is B. Okay, Nagaland. Nagaland is the official language of this state. Okay, then fifth question, Kanjivaram saris from this state are very popular. Okay, answer is G. Tamil Nadu. Kanchipuram silks. Have you heard about that? Kanchipuram silks. Okay, so it is very popular. The answer is G. Tamil Nadu. Okay, then Corbett National Park, Dehradun and Mussoorie are very popular tourist destinations in this state. Okay, so the answer is D. Uttarakhand. Okay, so here the question is so different, but in your book another question is there. So write the answer D. It's Uttarakhand. Okay, then Sambalpuri saris are a specialty of this state. Sambalpuri. The answer is C. Odisha. Okay, have you all written? Yes. Okay, we move on to the next page. Okay, it is related to the sports. Okay, track and field. Okay, so what's the difference between a track event and a field event? Okay, I'm just explaining. Leave this question because it is a 5 mark question, big question. Okay, what's the difference between a track event? Because the track events are held in the track, right? So like 300-meter running, 500-meter running, then so many running games are there, so that are called track event. Then field event means it will not be held at the track, it is away from the track. Okay, like javelin throw, then long jump. Okay, so these are the field event. Okay, so these are the track event means it's held at the track, and field event means it is away from the track. Okay, so the next question, name the 3000-meter track event in which runners have to jump over fixed hurdle as well as the water pitch. Okay, So answer is S T E E P L E C H A S E. Steeplechase. S T E E P L E C H A S E. So it is a 300-meter track event. Okay, is in this the runner have to run in the water pit. Okay, so there are some fixed hurdles will be there and some water pits will be there. So the runner has to run along this places. Okay, so the next one. So the next one also I am explaining, no need to copy. Okay, so what important rule must a competitor in a walking race always keep in mind to avoid being disqualified? Okay, while running walking race, so what are the important rules should be followed by the competitor? Okay, so the front foot should not touch, must touch the, sorry, the front foot should touch the ground. Okay, the front foot should touch the ground before the other foot will touch the leaves the ground. Okay, then the second one. Okay, this is the main thing, main rule to be followed by the competitor. Okay, it should be followed by the competitor. I will send the answer today. Okay, I will send the answer today, so copy it. At that time you can copy because it's a long question, so now you can copy, the time is running up. Okay, so the next question: in which race would you find the lead of the runner, the takeover zone, the anchorman and the baton? Okay, so in which race there is a lead of runner, the takeover zone, the anchorman and the baton? In relay. Okay, it's also a running. So what the, in this game the first person will hold a stick in his hand and the next person, so while running he have to shift the stick to another person, finally there will be a race. Okay, so that is relay, RELAY. Have you copied? Okay, then men run 26 miles and 385 yards to complete this event. Which event is this? Okay, so a man has to complete 26 miles and 385 yards to complete this event. Which event is then? Marathon. 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 Okay. Have you all copied? Okay, then what is the name of the event in which participant use a pole to jump over a high bar? Okay, the answer is pole vault. Pole vault. See, this is the game. There will be a pole. The competitor has to jump over the pole using another stick will be there. Okay. So the answer is pole vault. POLEVAULT. Pole vault. Have you all copied? Okay. Then look at picture A17. Okay, here is the picture. And name this Kenyan. He's a Kenyan 800-meter gold medalist at the London Olympics. He's a gold medalist at London Olympics in 2012 and Rio Olympics in 2016. He got 2 gold medals. Who is that? The answer is DAVID. David Rudisha. 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 DAVID. David. RUDISHA. David Rudisha. Have you copied? Okay. Then look at picture A18. Name this great American. He is a great American sprinter who won 4 gold medals at the Berlin Olympics in 1936. See, he won 4 gold medals. Who was he? J E S E O W E N S. Sorry, E N S. Jesse Owens. J E S E O W E N S. Jesse Owens. Have you all copied? Okay. Then look at picture A19. And he's a great American sprinter and long jumper of 1980s and 1990s. His name is Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis. Okay. Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis. Next question. Look at picture A10 and name this great Jamaican athlete and mention the event he is great at. Okay. His name is Usain. Bolt. Usain Bolt. His name is Usain Bolt and he is famous at 100 meter, 200-meter running. Okay. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt. Bolt. And he's great at 100 meter and 200 meter. Okay. Have you copied? Okay. Next one. So the first question, the fastest runner in your school. You have to fill this. The fastest runner in your school. Okay. Then the second question, the fastest runner in India. Do you know about him? Okay, I'm writing his name. Anil Kumar Prakash. His name is Anil Kumar Prakash. Okay, he's the fastest runner in India. Okay, Anil Kumar Prakash. Okay, the next question. The fastest runner in the world. Usain, Usain Bolt. Okay, the fastest runner in the world is Usain Bolt. Copy it. Okay, we have to move somewhat faster because so many portions are there. So write fast. Although there is time, we need to complete it a bit forward, right? So why means you have to study, you need time to study now. So somewhat I'm faster trying to finish it soon, so only you will get time for your learning. Okay, so the next page, it will be easy to fill. Okay, match the equipment and kit with the correct game or sport. Okay, so the first one, so the stick and a ball related to, the answer will be down. Can you see that? It will be in a green color box. It belongs to golf, right? So put H in the box. Golf. And it is a pedal, right? It's a pedal. So what it belongs to? Right, G. Rowing. Okay, so it is used for rowing. Okay, then this one, I think you knew that. What does it use for? Boxing, right? So fill E. It is used for boxing. Okay, then the next one, this is for, I think this also you know about it. It is for squash, C. Okay, then the next one, this is for snooker game. Okay, put A. Then this is for hockey, put D. Okay, then this is for, it's a boat like, right? It is used for surfing, F. Then this is, what is mean? Sailing, B. Okay, then it is chessboard, I. It is easy to fill, right? So you should learn about it. I will give a picture and you should write what is it. Okay, so you also want to learn this. Then the next one, look at the pictures below and answer this question. Where would you find the equipment shown? Where you find? At the gymnasium, right? Gym full form, gymnasium, right? Fill, GYMNASIUM, gymnasium. Then next question, what are they are used for? What's the purpose of this? It is used for exercising, right? EXERCISING, exercising. Have you all copied? Okay, then turn to next page. Okay, so we need to match the following quotes. Okay, quotes will be there on the left side and the person who said is in the right side, so we need to match it. Okay, an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Okay, it is said by Mahatma Gandhi. Advise the people who practice non-violence. Okay, advice for the people who practice non-violence. Okay, then the second question, I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but by the content of their character. Okay, it is said by Martin Luther King. It's on the right side, you can't see that, but look at your book. Look at your book. Martin Luther King, a civil rights leader of 1950 and 1960. Okay, so it is a speech. Okay, it is a speech. I have a dream. Okay, it is a speech. Then the third question, that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Okay, it is said by Neil Armstrong. Phil G, put G in the box. So he first stepped on the moon. He said this line. Okay, that's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Okay, then fourth question. Sare Jahan se acha. Who said this? Sare Jahan se acha. Who said this? Put B in the box. It is said by Rakesh Sharma. Okay, so first Indian in the space. He was asked by the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. So he looked from the how India looked from the space, and those words were his reply. Okay, for Indira Gandhi. Okay, then if you can't feed 100 people, just feed one. Who said this? Mother Teresa. Okay, A. Put A in the box. Okay, then friends and comrades, the light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere. Who said this? It is said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, after Mahatma Gandhi assassination. Okay, then at the stroke of the midnight tour, while the world sleeps, India will awake to live life and freedom. Who said this? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said this. Okay, from his speech Tyrus and Destiny. Okay, then no one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. Okay, it is said by Nelson Mandela because he is an African, right? He was rejected by so many people, so only he said this quote. Him I call a Mahatma whose heart bleeds for the poor. It was said by Swami Vivekananda. Okay, him I call a Mahatma whose heart bleeds for the poor. Okay, then next one, from which holy books are this translated lines taken? Okay, so it is given, we need to put the name there. Greater lover has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friend. It is available in the Bible. Okay, so greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. Okay, second one, give up your selfishness and you shall find peace. It was in the Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, Guru Granth Sahib, put D. Then, he who saves a soul has saved the lives of all mankind. It is in Quran. Okay, A, put A. Then, a person can achieve everything by being simple and humble. Who's in which book it is there? It is in Rig Veda. Okay, it is in three Vedas. Three Vedas are there, ancient Veda, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Samar Veda. So in the Rig Veda it is written. Okay, you have the right to work but never to fruit of work. You should never engage in action for the sake of reward, nor should you long for inaction. Okay, it is in Bhagavad Gita. Okay, have you all copied up to this month? Okay, this is enough today. Copy it in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can call me or we can discuss it in the Zoom introduction class. Okay, so after completing, take a snapshot and send to my number. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can text me. Okay, so copy it. I will send the notes today. Copy it in your textbook. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.